This is money. Money is financial energy, a force that fuels our economy and allows us to accomplish our goals. Just as we would use electrical energy to power our devices or kinetic energy to move a car, money empowers us to get things done. However, what makes money truly special is its predictability. This predictability arises because money always follows the same fundamental rules. Let's explore some of these. Money is always subject to supply and demand. The value of money is constantly fluctuating based on the balance between how much is available and how much people desire it. The dynamic between supply and demand is why prices for goods and services are always changing. Money isn't synonymous with time, it represents value. It may seem unfair when we hear about someone making a fortune in a single day while we work a full 40-hour work week. However, money is a reflection of the value we provide to the world. The less replaceable we are, the greater our earning potential becomes. It's not just about the number of hours we put in, it's about the impact we make. Money compounds over time. Compounding interest means that your money can grow not just from the original amount you invested, but also from the interest it earns over time. This is great when you're earning interest on investments, however, it can be a problem when you have debts with high interest rates. In that situation, the interest keeps adding up, making it more difficult to pay off what you owe. Risk and reward go hand in hand. This principle applies in both borrowing and investing. If you've got a low credit score and you need to borrow some money, you're seen as a greater risk to lenders. As a result, you'll have to repay more, benefiting the lender. Conversely, when we take risks with our own investments, we can expect higher returns compared to playing it safe with low-risk options.